came to bring the pain, the Hawk Hole, make it. Yeah, Hick. Now you're talking. That's exactly what these people say.
Okay, we're at VWAP.
We
Even
are
though it's breaking
at
below my range, but we're at VWAP, so I won't take any trade.
and I'm still okay, good. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. All right, let's see what we got here now. That soul, the dragon soul. Goku arrives. Goku arrives. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, this is what I was talking about when I was talking to you earlier. Weekly, broke that low. Then we triggered the, pullback. Daily breaking out this consolidation. Maybe today we get an inside bar, 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. On Monday, pew, all-time highs. Imagine that.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a 4.28 profit factor and a 60% win rate? Whoa. This is actually like very good, Botos. This is, oh my God. This is like good stats, man. I didn't know I was like that. Why'd you tell me?
We're breaking down.
Shit, Botos. 60% win rate, Habibi. Oh, we at my level. Oh, we at a level I got here. All right, don't get me confused now, Mario. Hold on, man. Yeah, so we really didn't, you know what I mean? We really didn't go nowhere right there. Yeah, all right. So we need to hold this level here. If we hold this level, 31.88, I'm definitely interested in longs. If we hold below this level, we short, baby. All right, so let's see now if we got any. Okay. I would like to get in on the pullback. So let me get a pullback and a trap. You get the bees in the trap. The bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Anyway, just remember this is an uptrend. But we could be just, Alright, let's see.
We're holding the level.
Yeah, like I said. For me to go long, we definitely need to hold that level. But this is not holding. This is like, testing and just bouncing. I ain't gonna make that same mistake like yesterday. If we pivot, yeah, I'll go long, but that would have, just to go long here, I should have just gone the minute it like got back over the level kind of thing. But we're rejecting here, so let's see how this closes here. We're rejecting that hourly low.
That hourly low is the VWAP.
Yeah, so like I said, I'm interested in shorts. Might be a little premature. How much is risky? 450. I might actually take this. If it breaks below this candle here on the 2 minute, I'll go short. That'll be only risking like $500. So, but the next candle gotta like we gotta fail. So like this is not failure. This
And
is
leave some room to the 5 minute opening range here.
no. It's just right now. It's just pulling back.
Here now
So
it's touching 223, 223. Now it's touching the 5 minute range.
nothing for me yet. So
If it fails here, 223,
huh?
shorts. If it fails 223, shorts are nice.
All right. So let's see. Let's see if we fail. Like continue.
Looks like we're failing.
It's trying to trap. So it's got to paint a different picture than what it's about to do. I would like for this candle here to flip red. I would like that, but let's see. So we got back above the 6 p.m. open. We're back above the hourly low. So 2 minute is still in a downtrend. But if we pull a pivot here, it's going to change the scenario. Because we already took out that high. We pulled back and held that level. So, doesn't take too much to think about it. Got a 15-minute candle, bro. I was like, what the heck? Like, what is that?
Yeah.
You see that 15-minute candle? Oh, shit, bro. Wow. Imagine how many people crying right now.
Yeah, I know.
Like, كتير صح?
Showed rejection.
All right, so we're back above the 9:30 open. So that changes things a little bit. So I definitely I pull back and a pivot if I want to go long. Otherwise, it'll just be like a failure trap and I'll go short. Yeah, it's going. I don't know where it's going, but it's going somewhere. We're rejecting that high, the daily high, yesterday's high. Remember yesterday? It bounced like crazy off yesterday's high. So what is it gonna do today? Reject?
Pull back, continue upwards. That's what it's gonna do.
Let's see. I like this here. If we can stay inside, I'll take a long. If we keep this inside bar. But I feel like this is a trap though. That's just me, but I'm not doing anything yet, so I really feel like this is a trap. I feel like just shorting below the open print and get out if it gets back above kind of thing. But I at least want this candle to close below it. If this candle closes below the open print, the next candle opens, rejects, I gotta go short. But how many I got? Let me see what's opening now. We got news at 10, so we're all gonna open. Okay. This looks like it wants to go. Let me get a trigger. 1, 2, 3 trigger on the 2 minute to the upside. Break high today. I'll take that. Where are we at now? 60, 40. I'm gonna take this long. If we flip, I'm going long, boy, because that was a nice bounce off of 930. But this candle has to flip. This candle don't flip, I'm not going long. And my stop will be the low. Okay, I'm long.
Order submitted.
And my stop is that open print. About $675 risk. Okay?
Got it.
So let's see what we can get. Alright. I'm gonna take anything I can get. It's Friday. I ain't gonna try to, you know what I'm saying? I want this. If it goes, I'm gonna take my money. If it rejects, we'll get out. But this is the top of the range, so I'm taking a breakout. You understand? So this could fail because you know what I'm saying? This is not a retest. This is a breakout. It is not even breaking out. It's failing already. So, but like I said, we hold back below the open. I'm gonna get out. So far, and we got news in 10 minutes. So this looks like we're failing. I'm just gonna get out if we continue failing like that. That's a failed breakout. Let's see. I'm giving it this 930 open here. But if we hold, I'll stay in. If we fail, that is a clue that we're going lower. Then I'll go short. Because that's what I originally wanted. Let's see.
Order filled.
I closed it.
Order filled. Order
I closed
canceled.
it anyway.
Order canceled.
How much did I lose there? $600. I'm short. Oh, it didn't fill me. Whatever. I didn't get filled on this. I'm short. It filled me. My stop gonna be that 5-minute wick high, which is 249. Too quiet, man. I hope you didn't blow your account or something.
It blew the account on that call.
Oh shit, my bad. Sorry.
So,
So you have no accounts now? Zero? Everything gone?
zero, everything gone.
Yeah, that's okay.
Let me see.
That's why you have to buy those big ones, Habibi, because I'm about to take a big L here too. I'm down 600. I feel like we're gonna go lower, cause that was like so trappy right there. We tried to break out. It looked like we was about to break out. We swept that low. We held. Everything was pointing that we're gonna break out, but it just maybe gonna break out now after it blew your account and stopped me out. Which one did you have? You had the 100K? Oh, but they don't have any bigger ones anymore. I don't know. Think about it this weekend. See what you want to do. See if you want to stick to options or continue doing this futures. You already see how it is. You've already tried both. See which one makes best sense. If you understand what I'm saying.
Nothing makes sense anymore.
Oh, you have to keep trying. If you don't do anything, then you gotta keep trying. You gotta keep trying, man. Either that, or you're gonna have to switch to micros.
5 MNQ.
Yeah, that's it. Because like if you think about it, right? If you take a trade, you stop is $500, right? Obviously, you're not gonna exit right away. Like you're not gonna take profits right away. You're always gonna give it a chance. So it's gonna push up first. So you make $200, and then it stops you out at your 600 or 500. So you actually lost $700-800. If your drawdown is only 3,000, that's it. You got 2 more trades, and that's it. You understand?
Yeah.
And yesterday you took 2 trades, so it just gave you another trade for today. All right, so we broke below the 930, got right back above it, and then we failed again. We failed to go higher above that 2-minute candle, and we closed above the 930. So that's definitely not a good look. I'm still in. I'm down $400. I'm down about $1,000 on the day already. Yep, $940. It's nothing new. This whole week, I think every day I was down like $1,000. And this looked like a nice bull flag that Mario likes to trade. But again, I feel like we're just going to go lower because that trap was just to get me in and liquidate your account, you know?
Yeah, it also trapped in the market open at the 5-minute opening range. It showed weakness.
And
You
it,
said you're going to take a short.
yeah. But the reason why I didn't, because we got back above the open print. And we held on that, give that 1, 2. That's why I told you my setups almost look the same all the time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or failures. That's what I look for. That's what my eye sees. So if your eye sees those 5-minute ranges, then stick to that. And you just need to maybe trade MNQ. Just be patient. Just dib, a little bit, take whatever you get every day. Like what I'm trying to do here. So, but again, I haven't passed in a year. So, you're taking advice from somebody. Maybe I'm not giving you the best advice. I don't know. Maybe you need some icy tizzle in your life. Maybe some power of 3. I don't even know what a power of 3 is. What is the power of 3, Mario? Do you know the power of 3?
What is that?
I have no idea. I'm trying to grow my Instagram page, so I commented on some guy. I did like clapping hand emoji, and then he replied to my clapping hand emoji with saying that all I need is the power of 3. I was like, power of 3?
And that guy is on drugs.
No, I think he's one of them ICT guys.
Roma, I bought 5 more 100K. Now I put 1 leader and only 1 copy.
Why didn't you get the 150, Habibi? Why are you getting 100K?
Try again. But only copy two accounts. I'm gonna try to copy 2 accounts.
You're gonna try to die at 1,000 cuts.
Yes.
Okay. And I like dying by bazooka. And like that, blow up like that.
Yeah,
Like
2 is easier on my mental.
yeah, mumkin, this is why. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe my mental state is like numb and I gilded khin دلوقتي. Who knows? I don't know. Yesterday, wifey looking at me, I was down to $2,200. I'm looking at her having a conversation. I was like, this is monopoly money. This is not, this is nothing. But it could be real money one day.
You're still in the short, right?
Yeah, but I'm definitely thinking about getting out. I don't want to be in the short when consumer sentiment comes out in 2 minutes. Because this could be like a 5-minute 1, 2, 3 to the upside, and I ain't trying to get freaking smoked. So I'm gonna let this breathe here, and I'm going to
Would I be up again?
you know what? I'm just gonna wait. If I eat a L, I eat a L. It's Friday. It's the day to go crazy. So why not? Yalla? Yalla, why not? You see, the thought entered my head. Khalas, that's it. We sitting in this consumer sentiment shit right here, bro. I mean, if I get 188, I'll be happy, but, it is what it is. $17, $60, $50, $40, $11. Don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop. Oh, and you said I never go short, so I don't want to hear you say that word again, okay? Because I think like all this week I've been going short. this 2 minute 1 2 3
Buying
fails, I'm
pressure
gonna
hit.
get out.
Chuka, no.
Huh? No, watching.
Shorts?
Huh?
Still in shorts?
Yeah, I'm up $10. I was up 500 a little bit before, but now I'm only up $10. 75, 95, 100, $60, 145, $40, $90. I don't know. Maybe we do another trap because that wasn't really like a breakout. It didn't really break out that high, you know. Just put in a 2 minute outside bar. Well, let's see. If we break below, we should continue low. If we break higher, we should go higher. So which way is it gonna go? I don't know. I don't know which way it's gonna go. All right. Look like it's about to eat a LL Cool J. LL Cool J. Look at that reject though. I just wanted to play out like y'all playing with people's emotions like this.
No more strategies in this market.
Hmm?
No more strategy. It just fucks you up. You think you have the right strategy?
Man, what is the right strategy? Everything, man, I keep telling you, everything is the same. It's just different terms and shit like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like an ICT guy be like, oh, I took this 30-minute VG. And then another guy will be like, hey, I took this 30-minute break and retest. But it's all the same shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, but it's all the same crap. You're trading the market structure. If the candle breaks the, you know, like this here broke the outside bar high, right? So we should go higher. So it's about to stop me out. Now, if it doesn't stop me out and fails, then this should go lower. But if it stops me out and pivots, it should go higher. That's it. See, I just got stopped out.
Order filled.
So we're going to be, look, I'm down $1,000. All right, so now let me get a little pivot. And then I go long again. Because it's got to be breaking out now. But again, I'm still open for that short. Because I could be just getting trapped. Who knows?
2 traps back to back.
Maybe, man. It's chopping, you understand? So it's. Still like shorts, man. I don't know why. I might be crazy. I don't know. I think Mario jinxed me. I only see you take longs. Ever since you told me that, I've been only taking shorts. I'm going short.
Order submitted.
Okay. Stop is the day high. 270. I mean, sorry, 270. Yeah, like, 270, 280. This area up here. So like another $300, $400 risk. Because that's what's going to happen if I get stopped out here. All right. Stop is the high of that candle, okay?
You took longs?
No, I'm short. How am I took long if stop is the high of a candle? Huh, genius? Captain Ginyu. Yo, give me 188, bro. That's what I wanted originally, man. Can I get 188? Look like you want to give me 188, so give me 188. Okay?
Why don't you see that it's gonna go up from here?
Because it just doesn't. I don't know. It doesn't look like it wants to go higher. Like, it just, the way everything looks on the chart, like how it took out that high, and it's like, I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you what I see with my eyes and how I'm processing what I see.
Even though the trend is bullish.
Where?
On the longer time frame.
Yeah, but longer time frame we're bullish, but right now we're not bullish. Right now we're just ranging. We're trading now. We're not trading till tomorrow. We're trading the trend right now. You understand or no?
Yeah.
I don't think I understand. I think in the slow way.
I do understand.
Okay. Good. All right, we need to stay below the. You know what? I'm gonna go break even because I ain't trying to. If we hold the open, I'm just gonna get out. It could just bounce like this and take me out. My stop is 262. So it could bounce and take me out, but my I'm break even now, so I don't care.
Selling pressure.
Like I said, I want 188, so hopefully I can get 188. If I get 188, I'm happy. Or at least give me 200. Give me 200, I'll be happy. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So. Now you see why I like entering with like the least risk, because if I was wrong, I would lose 400 or $500. I'm right. Look, I'm up almost 2R, and I'm break even already. So obviously, I'm not gonna let it go break even, but you understand? I don't know. Check like that you don't understand nothing. Check like that guy you showed me yesterday. You remember the text message you texted?
With the oil.
I don't want to say the word. Okay, now my stop is 248, so if it either gonna go lower or gonna take me out. Yeah, like we should not get back above the 930 open. If we're going lower, if we are to go lower, at least to this 188, we shouldn't be getting back above the open print. You understand or you don't understand?
You see it leading, right?
I don't know if you got VWAP right there, but I just know 930. That 930 open, if we get back above it, I'm going to get out. And I mean like get back above it, like hold. So, close and then hold. And Q can just pop. But like I said, I got my stop right there, everything right there.
I took a short here. If it flips on me, man, I don't know.
What do you mean? You just enter down?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's another entry because if it gets back above the 930, you're gonna get out. So. There's another inside bar in a 2 minute. Could be flagging. Seems like I'm going bar by bar. I'm reading every candlestick. You understand? You don't understand. Yeah, you look like that guy you showed me yesterday. Remember the text message I sent you and you responded? I said Zeki and you said. You remember? I don't think you understand very well. No, we don't have to blow. What did we say when we want to go down?
Why did you blow on it?
I know. What did we say when we wanted to go down? What do we have to do? We just go like this, right? We go like we bow down. Bow down. Bow down. Take a bow. Take a bow.
I'm bowing down with you.
Think about يا بنت اللذينة. يا بنت اللذينة بطلي بقى البعبصة دي. Imagine somebody go back, watch my stream and understood what that word meant and reports me. What are the odds of that? You know, an hour and 50, somebody watched almost an hour of the stream and knew what that word meant and reported me to YouTube. That would be funny, though. Okay, I don't know if I should just get out, man, or what, because I want to, I don't want to mess with my psychology too much, man, because I'm starting to feel it get tired. Can you break 200 or that's too much to ask?
I think that's too much to ask.
You think so? It's only like 10 more points, man. I'm out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice trade.
Order canceled.
I made $100, so I'll
Why
take.
didn't you trail down?
I did, but my stop was 230. So you want me to give away $600?
Oh yeah,
Come on, I'm green on the day. I'm up $110. I'm gonna take that and say Alhamdulillah. I'm gonna walk away, bro. See, I'm gonna go like this. Save. Trade performance. Execution. It's gonna give me 188 probably. Look at that. See, there's 188. That's all right. Did I know for sure it's gonna give me 188? No, but maybe I saw myself green and it's Friday and said, "Hey, yo, I'm closing the trade." Maybe. Who knows? All I know is what, Mario? I'm green and it's what? Friday. I'm going to the weekend, chilling. You know. You understand? You don't understand. Shagla Kiran, you don't understand.
I do understand.
I don't think so.
Look at this. Look at this.
And tell me you're still in, Ming, because I know
No, I went out.
you're the king of trailing. Why don't you trail, Karuma? You're the king of trailing, Baba.
Me?
Yeah.
I followed your lead.
Well, Habibi, my lead is leading you to blowing accounts and PAs and all this shit, bro.
Look, it's still going down.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Like I said, honestly, I wanted 188, but man, I take anything, Habibi. You know what I'm saying? Even if, it take me longer, whatever, I don't care. Look, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna drop something in the chat. I'm gonna show you something real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. And you know what that's all due to what? Get out if you're in.
It's gonna reverse now.
Maybe just pull back. You see, You see what I just put in the chat?
No.
I'm gonna stop the stream because I'm done. I'm not taking another trade. So, all right, guys, yo, you have yourself a good weekend.